Welcome to our tutorial on how to view a Facebook community admin's profile on PC with the new update. If you've ever wanted to learn more about the people managing your favorite Facebook communities, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, open up your web browser and head to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look for the messenger icon in the top right corner of your screen. It looks like a little speech bubble. Click on it to open up your messages. Now, in the Messenger window, you'll see a section called Communities. Click on that to expand it. Find the specific community you're interested in and give it a click to open it up. Once you're in the community, look for the Members tab. It's usually located near the top of the page. Click on it and then choose Admins from the options that appear. This will show you a list of all the administrators for that community. Here's where it gets interesting. Next to each admin's name, you'll see 3 little dots. Click on those dots next to the name of the admin whose profile you want to view. A small menu will pop up with a few options. Finally, from that menu, select View Profile. And just like that, you'll be taken to that admin's Facebook profile page, where you can learn more about them, see their public posts, and get a sense of who's running the community you're part of. And there you have it. You've successfully viewed a Facebook community admin's profile on PC. It's a simple process once you know where to look. And it can be really helpful if you want to get to know your community leaders a bit better. Remember, respect people's privacy, and use this feature responsibly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Facebook tips and tricks. See you in the next video.